What's up, everybody? Jason Edwards here. It has been a while since I was able to bring some content to you guys. If you can see this disaster back here, Wanetah and I have been flipping a house, which has taken way more time than I thought, but we are almost in the final stages of this. But I have something really exciting I want to bring to you today on the AI front. So I'm going to show you some really cool opportunities right now. And what has gotten me so fired up, I couldn't even clean this up. I wanted to just bring you content. I haven't even shaved in like a week. So I just wanted to jump on here and show this to you. So let me get into the content. Okay, so the other day I was Googling a few different AI terms and I came across this AI receptionist term that I've searched before, but what I wanted to show you here is I've scrolled down and there's this company Smith.ai. I've seen their ads around quite a bit, and I was just curious, what does Smith AI do and what do they charge and how successful are they? And I did a little digging around, and if we click around here, you can see if I Google Smith AI revenue, here's a breakdown of their trajectory. Started in 2015 with $0. Now, as of last year, 2024, they made $26.7 million. And they are doing some basic things that if you've been following the channel for any time, you know that we've talked about HighLevel and how much we love it. And I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a lot of what they're doing at Smith AI with HighLevel using the features that are already built in. I'm even going to build a live AI receptionist on this training today, show you how easy it is to do, and it's something that I think you can comfortably go out and offer to business owners. Now, if you are brand new, if you are just getting started with this is not something where you're going to have to set up 50 different things for a business. It's a very simple offer. If you're missing calls after hours, we have an AI receptionist that will field those calls, find out what the person is wanting, and put them on a calendar or send them to you in the morning so that you know what those people wanted. You can discern if it was a spam call versus somebody who really needed some work. And if it's an emergency, it can automatically forward the call to the business owner. So it basically handles all of those functions for a fraction of what you would pay an actual live person to answer those calls. So let me show you how to build this. And if you're curious, this is a video that this guy, Nathan Latka, does. He's done a ton of tech interviews that I've watched and listened to because basically a lot of founders will come on and explain how they sold their SaaS company to consumers, how they grew their SaaS companies, and a lot of other tech companies as well. And you can go through and listen to these interviews and they'll talk about all the things that they're struggling with, how much money they've raised, if they've raised any, and their trajectory and things they've learned along the way. So I recommend you going and finding his podcasts out there because they're really insightful. But this particular one was all about Smith AI, and it basically just talks about all the things that they did. One thing to note is that they went out and raised money. So you can't see exactly how much they raised, but they raised a seed round in 2019 and a Series A in 2022. I don't think you need to do that. With HighLevel, you can basically have this thing up and running and get some customers coming in. So what do they do and what do they charge? Basically, they have a few different things. They have some live reps that will answer calls for you, but they also have this new AI receptionist, which you can see the pricing here. For just 30 calls, they're charging $97 a month, 90 calls, $270, 300 calls, $825. And if you have more than that, you can call for a custom quote. And they also have an overage here. So if somebody has 320 calls, you can see how much they're charged per call. So that is some basic pricing. With HighLevel, we can duplicate a lot of this. Now, I've listened to a lot of the sample calls that most of these companies are doing, and it's almost identical to what you're offering with HighLevel. So let me get into HighLevel and show you exactly what we're offering and how to build it. Okay, here we are inside of my HighLevel dashboard, and what, again, I love about HighLevel is that they allow you to white label their software. So you can go put your own logo, your own colors, your own branding, offer whatever you want, and you only pay HighLevel one small flat monthly fee, and everything that you make above that, you can have 1,000 customers. You're still going to pay HighLevel the same amount every single month. So it's great. They have 3 different pricing tiers. I'll talk about that in a future video. Again, but it's between $97 and $497 depending on what you're looking for. Now, inside of this, we've put our own branding on here, our own colors. We can go out and sell this right now. If I wanted to go to this windshield repair company, I'm going to build an AI receptionist right now on the call so you can see how simple it is to do. And then I could go out and sell this to a windshield repair company today because I already have all the basic questions covered. And this can replace somebody full-time, but what I recommend you offer to people is just the after hours type of thing. So nights and weekends or whenever they're not in actually answering the phone, they're missing a ton of business. And if somebody has, for example, a plumbing leak and they want to speak to somebody right now, if somebody calls at say 7 p.m. and the plumbing company is closed, but they need an emergency plumber out there, the AI can field that call, determine that it's an emergency, and forward that to the business owner so they can take care of it. If it's something that, yeah, we have a small drip, it's not an emergency, then it can capture the information and let the plumber know in the next morning that they'll reach out to that person. So it allows you to have somebody that's monitoring these phones 24/7 without having to pay a live person to do it. Okay, so I'll shrink my head down here and I'll just show you inside of this particular, what we call a sub account, which is an account that's just dedicated to this one business. And with HighLevel, you get unlimited of these. So you can have thousands of different companies that all have their own emails and phone numbers and pipelines and all of that stuff just under their one account. And what I can do here is go over to Voice AI Agents, and I'm going to create an agent. And I'm going to either browse the marketplace or I can create a custom agent. So let's just create a custom agent here. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this agent. So let's call her Jessica, since that's what's here. And what you can do is you can go through and listen to some of these voices and see which one you'd like to use. So you can click around. Let's listen to Jessica first.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
Okay, so friendly voice. Let me listen to a couple others here. Jerry B.
This voice model is perfect for capturing the essence of a hyper-real conversational feel.
So some of these I find are a little too presenter mode. I like to find just some natural voices, so let's just scroll through a few others here. Okay, so the great news is HighLevel has added so many new voices from the 11 Labs library, which is a software I use and a lot of other people use for AI voiceover. So there's like hundreds of them in here now. It took me a while to go through, and I found one that I think is the most natural sounding that I could find, but I bet I could find way more if I spent even more time. Let me just play it for you here.
Okay, so this might sound silly, but I just got this weird sparkly feeling in my chest, and I think I'm actually falling in love.
So what's happening is a lot of actual voiceover artists and just regular people are uploading their voices to 11 Labs to be licensed to use in these things. You don't have to pay them anything extra. It's all built into the library, but they allow you to use these voices, which is really cool. So I can change this around, but let's just do a demo here. So this, you can change the message. This is what happens when people call. So it says, "Hi, you've reached Katie Windshield Repair. How can I help you today?" We can go to advanced settings and set the time of the call. We probably want to bump this up to like 15 minutes just to be safe. Response speed, you can set as normal or fast. So kind of test around and see if it's sounding like it's unnatural, then you can change these things around. And we'll just hit confirm here. And then we'll hit next. And we're going to set the agent goals. So we want to get the name. We want to get let's see, for this, we want to get the address and the issue, and you could get an email if you want as well. Now you can go to advanced mode and actually give them some certain things that you want to get. We'll just use the basic mode for now. And you can also, what's cool is that they now allow you to have an agent knowledge base. So you can upload things like URLs and stuff like that. You can see here, we can add more stuff to the knowledge base, like how much the pricing is, what their hours are, that kind of stuff. But for now, we'll just go back. And then the next thing we can do is set up the actual number that they're going to call and set up the hours. You can either do 24/7 or you can do certain working hours, or it can just be a backup. If the business owner doesn't answer, then the voice AI will pick up. And what I'm going to do is do a test call so you guys can actually hear the call happen live. And this will be the first time that you'll hear this particular one that I've set up, and we'll see if we have any kinks we need to work out here. Okay, so I'm just going to hit call me, and it's going to ring my cell phone here. And here's the call coming through now.
Quality purposes. Hey, you have reached Katie Windshield Repair. How can I help you today?
Hey, I just had a quick question about getting my windshield repairs. There's a small crack in it, and I just wanted to see what the pricing was.
Thanks for reaching out. A team member will get back to you with the pricing details for your windshield repair. Could I get your name, please? I'll make sure we have your info so our team can follow up quickly.
Yes, it's Jason.
Thanks, Jason. Just to confirm, that's Jason, correct?
Yes.
Great, thanks for confirming. Could I get your email address so our team can reach out to you with the pricing details?
Yes, jason123@gmail.com.
Just to confirm, jason123@gmail.com. Did I get that right?
That's correct.
Perfect, thanks for confirming. Could you share your address as well? This helps our team know where the service might be needed.
123anystreet.com, not .com. Sorry, 123 Any Street in Anytown, USA.
No problem. Thanks for clarifying. Just to confirm, that's 1123 Any Street, Anytown, USA. Did I get that right?
That's right.
Thanks, Jason. Our team will reach out to you soon with the pricing details for your windshield repair. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
About how long will they take to get back to me?
A team member will reach out to you as soon as possible with the information. If you need anything else in the meantime, just let me know. Anything else I can help with right now?
No, thank you.
Thanks for calling, Jason. We appreciate it, and someone will be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Okay, so it will, in short order, send me a transcript, a recording of the call. One thing I noticed is the voice didn't seem like the one that I picked. So let's go back and see here. So it defaulted to Jessica. Let's go back to the one I was trying to pick before. I think I might have just not hit save. All right, so I was able to find Hope in here, and then I changed the agent name to Hope. I hit save. So let's try one more test call and see if it will work. Okay, it's ringing again.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, you have reached Katie Windshield Repair. How can I help you today?
I just had a quick question about getting my windshield repaired. There's a tiny crack in one of the corners.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know about the crack in your windshield. A team member will reach out to you with more details about getting that repaired. Could I get your name, please? I'll make sure we have your...
Okay, so that worked. I was able to change the voice. You can change it. There's male voices, there's Australian dialect, there's all kinds of others as well. So you can play around with that if you want. But the point is that we were able to create something that I could go out and sell. Obviously, I would need to restructure this a little bit and add some details about Katie Windshield Repair, the hours, the pricing if I wanted to. If I just wanted the AI to answer a few basic questions and then get name, email, phone number, and forward that to the business owner, I could do that as well. This is a pretty low level thing to set up that's very easy, and the business owner doesn't even really need access to your software, which is great. So I could have a HighLevel account paying them $297 per month, have unlimited accounts that I could go out and sell, and then set these things up. Now, there are some costs that are associated with this. So HighLevel has per usage basis for the voice AI agent, as well as a per minute charge to use the phone number for the actual call. The phone number, let me pull up that pricing for you. The voice calls end up costing about 2 cents per minute. And then the AI tools, you can have either an unlimited account, which is $97 a month, and that will allow for unlimited calls on that one sub account, or they have a per minute usage as well for that, which I believe is around 20 cents or so per minute for the AI as well. So if you're doing the AI and the call, you're looking at probably 25 cents a minute to do this, which you can pass that cost on to the business owner. And if you're finding that you're getting more than enough calls to cover $100, then you could just do the unlimited plan and you get unlimited AI usage for a bunch of other stuff as well. But this is something you can, again, go out and start selling immediately. I think it's a great tool. And if you just Google, let me just find a couple others here. I think I did AI receptionist here. Good Call is one that I've seen. Let's click on them and see what their pricing is. So they're charging like $59 a month per agent, and I'm not quite sure what all of this stuff means. Let me find another one that I've found recently. Okay, this is a one I've seen around called Just Call, and it is doing a pay-as-you-go model, 99 cents per minute. And as we talked about before, even if we didn't use the unlimited AI, we're looking at probably our hard cost being 25-ish cents per minute. So you can see we have 3x. So you can see we have some good profit margin there if we wanted to. And as you scale up, then you can see what it would cost. So that is something to do as well. But again, just go around to your local plumbers and roofers and people that are getting calls clearly after hours, even if they don't think they are, they have somebody that's answering those calls. Try calling a roofing company at 8 p.m. and just see if anybody answers. That gives you good ammunition to go and call them and say during business hours and say, hey, I've been trying to call you guys, but nobody answered after 8. So would you like a solution to be able to answer calls during that time that could convert those people into sales, something like that. So we'll talk more about this. I plan on going in this direction and offering this to some business owners and showing you guys on the channel here how this actually works and how successful or not successful I am, but I think this is going to work quite well. So with that, I'm going to wrap up here and talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks.